Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device to the recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you might not know the combination to. So I do have a pattern set, and I'm gonna progress from here as though I don't know it. Now to get started, we will need a computer, cable. So let's just plug it into our computer. And once it's plugged in, disregard this. What you want to do is hold power key and a volume down, and you're gonna hold it till the screen turns off, at which point you will switch to holding a volume up. So let's do it right now. And as you can see, once it turns off, I switch to volume up instead. From here, I'm gonna let go of just the power key and keep holding volume up, and as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. And I'm gonna flip it over like this, just so it looks a little bit easier to see. So again, using volume keys, you can navigate through here, and come on, stop losing focus. So you want to select from here the wipe data factory reset option right over here. So okay, let's just navigate a little bit lower and confirm it with power key once it's selected. And again, let's select factory data reset, power key, and as you can see, well, you can't see, let me just move it down. You can see right here at the bottom, you should see data wipe complete as the last entry, and then reboot system now will be selected by default. So press the power key once more to simply reboot the device. And at this point, you can also get rid of the cable, it's not needed anymore. And all we need to do is simply wait for the process to finish. Now this will take about a minute or so to complete. And it's gonna be basically kind of like stuck on the Samsung logo, as you can see right now. But once it's finished, we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.